my current broken center dash, a better conditioned piece, AC vents pull right out, the climate control pulls right out with the shifter out the way. Four 10mm bolts hold the stereo in place. Now to the center dash. Three 10mm bolts hold the center of the piece in. Okay, the rest are gonna be 7mm bolts. Let's count how many. Look, I have one that was broken here. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get to that one from here. That'd have been the access for it. That hole. Then I have this panel down here already off. That'd be 10, 11. And there's gonna be 2 more beyond this little panel. That'd be 12, 13 of them. Okay, I have all these out and these too. Next I'm gonna work on these. I got all the screws out for this panel. It's about 6 of them. And a little stubby screwdriver helps. Space is kind of tight right here. And there they are. Alright, with those last 2 out the way, this should come out. Carefully getting this one back in. These 2 are the most difficult to get out, so I started with these to put back in first. Oh, that's back to normal. I got all these back in. That one up here is missing. The 3 10mm bolts are back in. Now I can get the 4-foot radio in now. Radio in. I'll probably take this back out soon to do the where you cut into here and do an in-dash mod. But then also I'll get a new face plate or a used one since this one's cracked. This just snapped back in, and so will the bottom. And then put that last bolt in. Done.